Obama wefu to pay. Obama won't crash. When it's so, yeah, monko. Suku kobiana, ejuma yebiana, yeah, monko. Who him debi? Na se wo pesa wo di bwa o meyi, yeah, monko. Se wo kuno soma wonya, ema wa be mumo, yeah, monko.
Jim FM, Jim FM.
I say me way be pain. The kind of me share for further. Me mount your rain for pepper. Me baby up a pepper. Sunny as so sooner running answer. Nya mama be around when in so. Nya me a piano for beam. At the end, I'm in your beam. I'm running answer. Tamaye fiana tatiyo. Achimmin sume ye. I'm running kaso. Ndi apai. Madame Mauve Uncle Naonim me Can't imagine your pair Branda Bessa Mekata When Sawa Shemi Bobby Inti Benjamin Sequentin Fin Manyam Sauna or Daddy Ami Wobimao Famity too, so not it damn me. Ya crop from you and your jum you. And you miss out. Maybe animal. And see what oh my God. From to a dance, and now it's going I'm the rapper, I'm missing me, that them. Sinanza, Yamama will be around when in so, Yami a piano for beam. At the end, I'm in your beam. I'm running answer, Tamaya Fiana to you. Achim Sume, ye, I'm raining so. Bye. Madame Mauve kuna unimni amepe. Kaone imagine yape. Brana besa mekete. Unsawa shemi bobi inti enyame nsikwenti fi. Manyame saona odadi emi wobi mawo. Famity too so not it me. Ya from you and your jum you. Anyame saona. Medi animo. Enti wada. Oh my God. From to a dance, and now it's contrary. I'm the rapper, I'm messing with that damn. Susu dimani, no pity sharing me. I'm the rapper, I'm messing with that damn. Susu titi me, no pity sharing me.
Adom FM.
I summon way be pain. The kind of Michelle for further. Me mount your rain for pepper. Me baby up a pepper. Sunny as so sooner and answer. Nyama will be around when in so. Nyami a piano for beam. At the end, I'm in your beam.
Ebusiafo me mamu nyina adwo aha yemo Nkommo jimedie so e wa Adom 106.3 FM so say na wo tune in na wo mese bibi akra afei na agro no ebeye de na me kai mo say ye were live e wo yen Facebook page Adom 106.3 FM nyume konso eso ya cinema ye tumede yemo Nkommo jimedie bro fel so no odo alomo bitters you say na alomo bitters ya so nim say natural herbal alcoholic product wo no monsa na wo sa wo ya de ehia papa ye e san say say Center for Research into Plant Medicine for akwadare mu and make sure say functionality safety and a san so quality intimate say choose right na drink the authentic African herbal bitters for the right results na alomo bitters they say authentically African na kai se emofra wo mu ndi mfie nu otwe entumi ennom san so na apem for so so entumi ennom afei so ya dia moba I sit moba annual national conference 2021 I am fantipim me kind of saying wo mo say e baso Saturday 22nd of May 2021 about 10 a.m. Ewa Asbury Dunwell Chapel Methodist Church Ghana Conference Office and I'm say Wesley House and our face so more went to me amba no Zoom a link ewo ho later no make a link so the actual pre-conference registration so me share link so the amamo almost say general meeting where the old boys of Infantipim kwabotwe Jen Shekan or me a gentle say ane na enne realities nobody tells you about marriage me kind say e hinta se me wa wadie mu a obia mie na no nka nkyere wo da e wo counselors bi wo kra wo counsel wa na wawe nia wakomopo no o ka de fefefe no na won ase no de enwunu no ane won ka da nti ene no many counselor Frank Adom Adofoli meaning say nkofo be brain him no as counselor Adofoli and them can full name counselor Frank Adom Adofoli na menene ebechichi Nkommo no no eba ne nimnie efa counselor wa chese odi mu akotene papa te ya me de ma howa ho ase me ne sa ni patitui ebetena se na ya twetwe Nkommo today your life will never be the same, trust me, because nyema counselor be dwire gu ho no you won't hear it from anywhere. It me search ben with radio no na Facebook on so na share
catch your downfall. On so can't na downfall. Don't take it. Don't be selfish. And then it's all about wobia. Awari. Sa wo be worry. Sa fe na oba be worry. And asa wonye wa dream po sa be worry. Ye den ya obe ye den. Obe worry. Marriage is for everybody. Ain't no. Counselor. Mema wa kwaba. I share Japan. I know. It's a counselor. Yes, see, realities nobody tells you about marriage. Me pacho, no cresse. Your realities bia. Wa worry moi. Yankana.
Bebre, it's here for no mutie so. Right in the bebre realities no. He turns to bebre ho. But I worry sunko. A man for start here worry. I could say acquaintu. Ye connection yama bebre. Nenia only will be too quine, we different. It never be be or her. As soon aid the beba bema need beba, and as soon the urbanus beba. Tia calling in a nation baby, a fire. Near ye and Hojuma. Could see baby a bedroom. And to Nipana a sham of quans or mutre, be flower young, it be cry a foot to an RC be our dear for cancelling one, ye be an a catcher. It can't be near be an amwere. I
didn't say ye be an a yaka. I say ye or say it.
So see a team, mamma, ye power any two soon see, who worry, you know, for our warrior, they decide send of a say, we yenefa. Your team was saying, Dinner would a bet me better, but say, may catch or say advice be keke. After experience be a research be an amema worry one, and to me connect to say 100% the make actual need be besi or worry. Aha, but say in test and be or some tools be a limawa. Oh, the foul warrior one, no the edge man, a bit more boy within your relationship.
If I say in this sense, no, and you be biana, se counselor be a bit too far from one, a bit me a reality.
Yeah,
and I say a bit me a boy,
a bit my boy, a bit my mouth, knowledge, your mouth, new dear, but the new dear not the money, and to me 100% about you. Okay, because Obia soon come, Obia warrior soon come. Your perform different from their question from different from their because
there's no beer in
the but you might be a heavy boss. I bet my bow and just all cosono and Yama a baby by beach center. I told you, Baba, Yam Bosso or cancelling and I see while phone I wouldn't want to for phone and a book crowd kind a being sa any but only cry fast a shot and Tawatama a buyer. I bet my can be so I resolve.
Okay, counselor, as I miss her coming next guest, me pese me busa say. Realities are ye kind of crown. E be a day. Because if you be to na then at mamu ke mo say realities of then. What are some of the realities are you who ewa wariemo?
Because it's my obi too quine. What is be a USA Senate ba me nko hoda. And so now for me mental picture be and a fantasy and a dream be and
a movie be a share American movie. Yeah.
So could do what sending your material and different from near what tea. A bet mania picture be an session, but the old formula obviously a different kakra and a be break cratching the annoyed one send a be brown cocoa and a be all night and say, oh, you warrior, many veggie, my worry be soon. Near me, I shall not mean the process and your kunta cover by your warrior and Taquano, a subetra. Or don't I want your covaria or don't make us here? You won't Koran, Korafa fair, Sika, some and yashi, Yaria Crady, Yadia Beba. It's one that kind of dream V.
It's expectations.
So yes, but could do one and Yama SCC. Oh, the Amidi Bowman and Yasaret here. Miakra, me were in Sen and my home fat Tiano. I'm a Timisham Hosso. Me covaria and me started some own. Margin Comparaso and Nimusubio. The son of a sham so crown intimation so view. Wow, sir. Every cry before my warrior, the position I'm your old Jumamono, responsibility endorsed to Sabamaco warrior, responsibility in Adom. I won't cry when he has me federal school. I got Danny more pressure me de fear. And to never be a minya and a time and me call me pie, because shop you mean now for Felicia, be son, intimate, and Yasakwane and ye view. Okay, it's me so tissa. Oh, min cry me tiano. And the quan minu nipa minu mutia around come and the quackran ye be but minu be wetana nipa crown home for no. You may be obey meninche, make or come in who quire mean fasoka, I mean co heteno. And the crown of my cousin, tana me no share na me twempra no na de ba kwetena ware ase no nyema bi wo ha me hwe enko yie sa suba bi wo ha me nhyara anim sa suba because na me no wontre pa wa me no wa betena no se me hu sa suba no adosu ebi wo kra me ka wo fese me do atem but unini ye mu antena me de me ka ebi kra me nim kwan me fa so e de aka so e ha me.
Okay. Medasi counselor Mesai Abaoso. Afi Reverend Sandra Talata Ameza and so abekayensa enti realities are will be to mean country yen e hinta seme wa wawie mu a enkofo e de esie yen dani de anase obi okwa wawie ni mu a expectations okona wa nkoto a na aye bibie wo ubusa na oh everything is fine obwa bibi wo enti mami me ba also pacho akwa aba first of all se bibia aboko pacho bebe o mic na mama kakra.
Okay.
Yes. Ain't no Mr. Opa. Reality daddy a Canadian. Yes. Or see obi or what. When him say wo wie kra the body best sound. Him say oh and I say bi ani kunu fufu no dey man and we say 6 packs no bi say oh what ah. If you say 6 packs kra the money falling in love what I say. Is that na bibia asesa. Ain't also reality say wa wawie mu no e bi e ye den. Some would dear now Makano, and then I'm a deep boom. Now, maybe some next question. Yes.
Let me say, a question. No, I'm going to answer it according to Sanya will be son and reality say woman. No, and no necessary. Okay, let me say. Maybe too soon na counselor kabibi about the fact say our real muno eya na obia ni issues ni relative obia ni dia oye den okom na nyame anim no kre our real munsem edoso na enkofo bebre are going through a lot of things sanya wankasa na wo ka no omuntumi nka na the realities no edoso na it's becoming unbecoming na adia no so say aya na ebimu ko aware animu a aya na omoka asem bi se wo ko aware abisa enkofo bebre enhyeda ennim adia omukom no eti omukom na omukohu sa nioma na aya asem na realities ni ebi ni se ebia bema no oni no twempna na won se oye masem kakra. And so no one funny serious. Na ebima dwen yo mo say be ma no te sese den kra na owaria obesesa ana oba no ote sese den kra na owaria obesesa. And so no ebimu ekwa awaria ni mu a sa ade no mu hu ye na they did not pay attention to no. Na fe de ade no ye kese na fe de abroso. Ena unim ade ba ku bi a me maba be hu ne say ma discover ne say this one no ebia ebeye kese kakra counselor unim say reality kese ba ko pa e wa ware mu a eye general ne say enipa bia at a point in their lives no they get attracted again whether they are married or not getting attracted to other people and that
yes
make bio in marriage Obia nipa no oye hwan say bishop archbishop say why you know in the marriage get attracted to other people why worry no or see or done a partner no or ti aware na ase no san nioma no eda so esi etu say nipa no start say or have abia or get attracted to other person be now so no one adia emma adia no ebrase ana me hu say na amazing kan no embeye problem ni say enipa bia no wo ho a say utumi utumi
self control
exactly
Rev me problem ni say esi den na mwaware na you get attracted to another person.
That is the problem. Won't say
a problem.
I'm telling you, it's a reality.
Jeez,
it's a reality. Intina aya o Christo ni dia wo ware e ka kire o say ware godly person and na wan kasa ye godly sebio eba ne wiase normal counseling na ye betu for say be discipline even bible eka kire ye say yan control ye ho na yenye discipline eti aware anim enioma bebresi he ebedu time bi oba no na ode ne ho eka me ne kunu be ma no so ede ne ho kame oba no eti say sa your friend is saying ampemu die anase nkitahudie no eni hono mu a na ndie obi astart say oye den hwe sesi ankasa no
asema kan ko ma say
it's true
woman am person worry bi oba say
reality
na me baby
reality because when me ka say reality kese e ko for be brain to me nkasa asem we but ade esi
that's the reality
it's
of life.
It's a reality
say no matter what
no matter who you are
will be attracted to another person.
I'm telling you, see,
but if you say would nipa na you don't get attracted to another person.
See,
hey, see, they are not
Shayampo. Would don't nipa. Hey, see, pa, entino, nini na ne say, oba o bemo, ube discipline wo ho. Na wenya self control.
Mami pause me ba counselor. No cray. Dear Rev Kano. No cray.
Nipa yes sada.
Mitia me ya.
Yes sada.
I see.
Robert Marshall bia. Ne ho cry fetchen oyire ana okuno.
Sir.
Ano bia. Counselor, obia ukunu ana oyire no kwa ho fetchen.
But what dream on?
And look at the area.
Yes,
sir.
My dream on. When you see, why worry? The Nima be committed. We are committed to our arena. And to say, Bia, Mahu Tima, ne dress ye MFA. Major shape your baby fair. I said me take initiative. A young Waduma.
But can't say, one minute will say me worry. Yeah,
I do part of our area, and yes, I do know. They are just attracted to my show in Pafufra. Are attracted to me 10 million in Trebia Nudi, in Pakun Fufra Echi. Why am more attracted? Our Juma, a work and happiness. 1 year Juma now, won't me enjoy. And the attraction, I'll be sure be. I am more attracted to you. That is fine. I wouldn't be sure be. I wouldn't bet my connected so much. But me didn't come on your baby.
It's a good thing, say. What worry? Now we share any power. You're more attracted to a wife. You work on your wife to be more attractive than the other person.
You work on your wife and you work on your relationship.
Okay. Hey,
you work on your wife and your relationship, and the more we watch man, and more we enjoy. And yes, when you also be more attracted to you know. Maybe a what for what to focus in our attention not to perform also. Umbu fie why ignoring no. Or why would they dream about the person? O koda and no one dream. Wish Shananka when yaji.
Hey,
no excuse.
Rather, over me, I work here on it.
Oh, you can work on it.
Any acquired your phone, were you?
You can work on it.
Lazy, you can because I were in a Juma.
And this is one of the greatest things. Esia Emma awarie egu bebre because same way no and you be say no eba apa you see apart from say ebia obano one hwe no hu ye wawo 2 wawo 3 na one hwe no hu ye be ma no so sebio wenya pot belly na they are not getting attracted to one another and no to me ye wadwuma easily but a situation where na nipa no is getting attracted to another person that is a great battle emma nkofo bebre Ubenwa ase no kanu you start to daydream. It will start to say, "Oh, ma will focus kohope nendie."
Is it for both sexes?
Yes, for both
men and women.
I'm telling you.
I am worry or call office wa share some bougie. Just say it's boss bima or ti hokra no daydream me wa ni kunu wo fie
it's both
it's odru fie na ni kunu pot belly na boss wa ahwe
na ni buefu
me hu say sparks
and no na di ebufu nkitinkiti ba wari mu no because one say we hu obi a all daydreaming ti ni kunu kra kasa na ni buefu na yiri kasa na ni buefu enti no hu ho no ya aware ye kwa say both Obani Bemano, and so who say, and you may be say, Esi. I think said these are the realities we should tell people who are going into marriage. It is say,
and no one can in now,
and no crack, and no make us say, a ya ding.
Just upon for Facebook doors. Why are dear? You are live on your Facebook page. Adom 106.3 FM. Comment this doors so you and their questions. Them will be mamu. Mina na besi a cool son. Many a J. Esa say, hey, mwamba na kamahami. I mean. People's life will change. Realities now more canon. A lot of people don't know these realities. Obi beka say me worry me crew to me for me cheat da na come here fish. But I need tilapia. But the reality is say obetimi are attracted to some. And that truth hurts.
And the attraction you see and now be amazingly it's not about how you look. Obi will say oh fepa so na
for be to make a funny house help.
Wrong sadian and no make us say a reality I dey be a esia to me shade hu baby a efi eti send America we say me start here make asofo nyina and no dear I mean
so that's one strong reality point.
Okay,
say no matter what,
okay,
some warrior at a point in time, one of you bet me attracted to another person.
Yeah.
Say you kwa ye ni fryer you kwa ejuma for car baby. Ye shia nipa.
Sir.
Sorry, school wherever ejuma. That's one reality. Another reality in so ye then.
Okay, another reality in so ne say e drew emre bi aya na omo ho funu omo ho kakra. Especially eba na sex na eba no enketemude mpacha
be distance marriage.
Empemu agrodie no ayana se obema no ho amfono oba na mimi nimbema bi a waka kire ne yere se no hu ye ne hi oba fefefe no o se no hu ye ne hi no hu ye ne tan on pese akokofa small girl bi a sebi hu sa small girl na obukra befu won enti minim ewo mu say senior makoya reverend metimi aka say there are some spiritual realities senior ma we no ye wo ne spiritual aspect etumi ye den esi from your bloodlines ne senior ma no eti utumu say be ma no ne ho afuno ne yere oba ne yere ho afuno no say ontumi
mami me bawo mami mbusa counselor waka asembi counselor den e betumi ama oba be ma tisika ware no no be ka se ne ho afunu ana oba onu agi atum so be ware be ma ka se ne kunu ho afunu mami mesa ba so den ne betumi de sa de na ba
tama omo shy ne nyema bi a omo ye a omo ndige omo ho no omo ware no agi asa nyema ne ye omo nye bio ye bi ho omo ye a omo enjoy this kind of company bi ye pay once in a week and an AP near cover be a din home common, and then a cost of my dinner cost with fee. It's me share emotion. We have a warrior, be a bar, our remind more of the focus, if you are running and I do man with you into in your side, Jenny, and my son, your money be. To obey fear, income will be a we'll cut na TV or share TV in the I can find the computer and the phone. No, the diagro, at me, at taking parts of that interesting aspect of our rhythm.
See, the things are now more yeno. When you put a stop to it to me damage our yeno.
It's true.
Our ye jumampa.
Chelsea, a man be brave, say, unya wari oba no chasing, unya warin we pen chasing us stop.
A man no munti a higher modia. Counselor Nemo Cassa. And ma will pay you no near ma we know what of flowers.
Flower, walk of fun or line.
Oh, worry we are pepper crab pepper. So first no brown flower.
Yes.
Unya pepampo.
Send your man now, ye.
Okay.
A chin attention. Our penis is so very wide or no better than you worry we are your baby cassia. Young conform. For the more now, the more now you never carry relationship. You will be a while. What discussion, no the time shema. When you time ancient one that yes, you shema, a crime found. But we invest in our relationship for now. Every time be offer say a queen when it's home. And it's a 1 year and your money beer, there's going to be boredom at home.
Wow.
Again, FBI, Yabetanano, Nifade, Yabefon at any time beer. It's in Tokabisia, and I thought of your name to maintenance and this uncommon. You be fear now because of that, and if fear be by you, fear to say roommate, yet to be young to us ending common. Te obia tena separately for some times now, and that boredom is setting in. Young come be indeed because you ninja. If you are down for be our one, tell if you are no now, when you open for the money, but I will be in command, so will be fear. and it is something as I say, the time you ever call relationship, na issues when you resolve. Send from your reality, as a man. Sengers for me prayer quawari one fesi say issue bower and be brain tower and tower a bomb be brand and tokabomana argument be a bomb be brea. Nefis our in your correct. And that's why in a big group. But those things they draw you closer to get to know your spouse more. To be say see ya pair on time internals in this uncommon. Ya nyape na a separate year, yet if you by your person didn't come because it's true you have it tonight you may mean in them.
So say no youth worry pa. Oh, Saturday be am wedding. A lot of the youth are getting married. Likelihood say realities ebe set in no. How many percent?
Oh, greater percent. The thing are youth ninyas ye din komo. And favorite say company amoko set it up. Nyan hwesi die na woketa die na mesumeketa ye din komo ne company e kokko start no. Die wonye your assets and your liability near the start. A mission statement, you pay baby a person corner, you didn't come. Tinyama broke, I am face your call, worry we are, if you are fine. Or do where, when we get to the bridge, we will close it. Tinyama the sweep under the carpet. You didn't come. You can be beat by even finances. How much you earn, what investment be or now, what assets be or why in this uncommon be or be self, how much do you earn?
Because I'll be Dimisika.
Music until buy, but that's not the case here.
Wow.
Opposite of that will be your debt. What can be or how will service it? A student loan and I will service it. Ebia what did mortgage loan or car loan. My own.
So that we'll know what to do.
We know what to do before we get into the
marriage. MTN. Me say no more my aunt.
Before we get into the marriage. But yen this song come on. We just swept them under. Obi cross we say we make up peja. I'll fish shame and I'll be better Jim into no very embarrassed. I'm very uncomfortable about that. The resist topic from compress over back. Na could draw what may be a nyaman ko ye. Ya capellum be a dianasi affordability no crabini ho. Na akofa issue abanti many of the things na especially your tenancy edin common issues like role and responsibility when they prefear when they know aduane this kind of things no first our area no sanity for our nyama bebre asesa even gender role na asesa tena be se me counselor what I tell the people say enya me ma warrior me tim ko cheche say wo ko no aduane we ko praha there be. You list the things now mokoko you are no from head to toe. Na mon take it. Only woman mean a tenacity. Nye until woman no papa. Na papa ya there and woman ya there didn't share through her. Oh, I worry him dear no pass away. No one no partner tenacity and negotiating. I will nye.
Sounds like a care when hear me pa. The man for pen. Net now.
Make us roles, duties and his responsibilities. If you are the so we obi tia light bed, obi no adriani, obi pray for obi no work of aqua no every school, obi born homework. All these rules necessarily a list with you from one to the last one. Back. Now let's say we are no much back one. Be sound who say, oh baby, what na any no. Oh papa no mommy. No mommy a dear, no papa dear, and no worry and I'll come dear in obey. No what take it over here. Oh, partner, no say we are no matter as man negotiating. And they say, Cadia de Noir, my own man, and nature and man. To uncassi, what banner when you are in one when you're papa. On why I accept to say, Memon Adriano. But the other things are we are good at that. What time, what skills, what interest in that department. Are we a boy, a boy? Till let's say we are. Na ye dey atoto ho ye be boa na decide on what to do as time goes in the sir yes I go back to the list e be of bit me there anya sesa enwo wana and now say the economy it's okay to go na understanding no akọ and nobody will be say me fefufu edi e pankwa we edi wo pe dwaso na eba wo pa obibi afa ka na efa na efa market I don't know what mean see market ento sanya mane and brief yourself, be my dear and come market. Then what beside the man minded and team come market, a beer, if you're free banner, and a come market, if I pay there and come market. But you do come on. ebe di o ware no so ni papa timi ko market e ko to ade na ede eba enti aware na se no e di ntokwa be de e beba sankrofo mi no bi enti onfo enka nkyem siw de yin be adwuma mamo yen discuss it. There's nothing like that. And to office your car na see dear when I me kunu be mami when na oba na
because sana na me papa ye we so say when na me rebe because sana na me mami
but could do our na see we are now the reality setting it is not so again yen di nkomo and the better we say be di san nkomo no yen ko di nkomo na e blame each other obi ntimi make request nka me nyaya.
So when is the best time I'll be this and come away before you get married? Before our and to say the wushia no. No more decide some mobile worry.
No. You talk about all this. Many chances you ever worry we no we are holding that position. Who pursue worry me we are pushing me to do something. Me or boy and I say I'm just with you sense of duty.
But counselor, obi wo hono ma obedia £2 on you.
Oh.
After marriage, you know, omunyo.
And now you agree to studio, huh? 8:30, no? Yeah, sure, 8:30. Agreement here, idea very powerful. Say, sorry, you are doing more. Tiana, Kumapa, Abasi, the obet my boy, and the miss my boy, and ye fear your warrior, and your name, my warrior. It's the two of us.
Yeah.
A work with us.
Yeah.
A bit more why. Ya dream we see. Minya, obey away. But on control. See a car now for so more. When you swear any buffo, if you were on control, say yeah. But not Jim on expect is obey.
And now, say before marriage, you know, move to me a dincomobile. Bema nibet to me a to me say, oh, measure. I mean, some of the duties, new roles, you know. Meye, but move worry, you know. Now on yes, I dear. What's that? And no, Emma saw issues when you now back up. I mean, these are the realities.
You go back to the list.
Some of them are so difficult.
It shouldn't be difficult to talk about these things.
And those are the things. Not every partner has this understanding.
And that's what we want to conclude in them. Almost share this understanding because the SNC be brain just can't see it. You first plan end to her and you call relationship we are not surprises near there. But to me, but yes, and I'm a dream say baba.
Good. The other side now, Miss May can say, you see, Rose no ebimu discussing. Who say ebimu nye. But ebimu so yeah. A lot of people will sit down, they will discuss their roles, they will put things on paper, they will agree on a few things, they will even agree on joint accounts. And so omu wari ria na bibia sesa. Eti ehono is also another reality. And the difficulties bebreba and a situation where the other partner is so difficult. Now for the asomu too no omu to mean clikibium and they are in the marriage. And you see everything they put on paper, you can bring the paper. It's just still the other person will not agree. Some of these things, you know, the young people know most they should know say these things will happen. It is here, then I will be here. Because in order to have peace in the marriage, sometimes they say two wrong does not make a right. It is a nipano a refuse here. What do you do? So I believe say a honomono no, that's where the love and the enthusiasm would have to play. Will come to play in the marriage. It's very complicated. It's very complicated.
Highly complicated.
Yeah.
And to see and pesa me hu emra realities no e beginning to show up. Mami mesha say was me am back counselors.
All right. So and usually ayana aware no who say there's an infatuation stage. I say or don't know what say you have to be texting and all of those things. But me know from my experience and other people experience, a few people have been able to counsel this and your man. I understand the encho. Some butterflies na enko for feeling no. Wo mo ho a say ne ho ye no jibi ase o hu bema na no nka na o hu oba na no nka. You know, after empemu agro kakra 1 or 2 no na sade no take off from kakra. So mostly no after a year eko ana e baba ko avem awie no. Ebia sikasemu bem bema no he has to take some responsibilities. Oba no has to take some responsibilities no. And as an man it most of these things, you know, they begin after a year of the marriage, mostly. ɛna saa deɛ no ɛhyɛ aseɛ especially baba ko abemawie no that is when these things begin then the afɛ deɛ wo sɛ duty begins to call yɛbɛyɛ sei ɛsi yɛyɛ sei akɔla no ɔbɛkɔ school ɔbɛyɛ sei then these things begin then deɛ your friend is saying entiase amba then na afɛ deɛ entokwa then especially when the things they listed on paper if they are not able to work around those things then I start to say sa realities no show you up and I won't say nipa nkasa no to me emfa wo suban ensie forever you see suban to say you saying to me fancy wo twu mutan ebe den ebe pie eti aya be me bi wo hono ma e bia wo hia wo no na odress pa so na in reality enya sa no te say ebia ohun se wo benefit to me siesie ni fie so na enye sa no te
no 1 year approximately wona wo ka say wo sha after 1 year and sana reality
sometimes crampono sometimes before a year but at most a year there na I started eti boxer shorts no e ho na obo say ono no otumi hye no 1 week ogo bebre ho oba pa to meet ni scatter boxer shorts emanikun eso on hye o hye ba ko ne sa etumi te na hye no oro so de to baby a on say e ho na obehu se ne be ma no ete e ho na obehu se ne oba no so te baby oyi ne brazier ode to empan here o si ni nioma you know all of these things dia say enche na shas yes eyi ne hu edi eti they become so reluctant with one another eti omo ye reluctant na eho na even omo kasem obi kra ho no ma ne kasa obi kra onim kasa o de esiesie odoninti oh baby oh this oh that afeidie
Drew middle no
kasa na sesa
obefro hair hey what's it then
wodin kra no obebo
oh no forget
and a baby no be yira etino
meanwhile so when you start with the babe make sure you stick with the babe
exactly
you start with the babe you end with it me bo abrewa kwa call me babe so memba no so sa me from honey say it's the same thing I'm going with you into realities ne there Mami, me for house open mama me tie me ya. Only counselor. And some na mo ke kano. Aware a lot of
it's work. A lot of work.
Me dey make sure me jot it down pa.
Obi oye lazy dey on forget ya worry.
Oh yeah lazy.
And oba obe worry lazy man so obe bre. Be man so obe worry lazy ladies so obe bre.
Because you are not ready to make it work.
No, me minimum baby o si on senior man manikunu on ye aduane. Nikunu nankasa enkoye. Can you imagine such a man? Obey den atena sa aware anim. Onu a on sini nioma, onu nso a onye aduane ma no. O shawatare kra on pese okun be hu. And that's why o man ne wona. I mean these things are happening and these are the realities. And you ask yourself say san nioma we nyina efihi. Oh, etino
reality ba ko amaka me de before everything, me was surprised, me viewers. I mean, you were live our Facebook page. Adom 106.3 FM. I hire your mom commended your Bo Nkommo na yesuya de. Hey, one joti de why you still I'll be to me show Facebook page. No what you say. Mr. Mopa. Last week you hear phone calls na. Efo. Eh, na de efo ba efo embu mi o Mr. Efo ba ha. Na me perceive efo ye obi awaware ono so ye married man intended efo ye case study ye busa efo say obeka reality sa or worry ne yire no asset in we a real life situation efo eba be ka kire yen efo me ma kwa ba
eje so me nua ba
eyewa na pese me tie voice eyewa no efo me pese me hu reality sa we say what expectations obi o kwa ware expectations need doors and man no who expect to do expect anything expect say bibia betumi asi but no kwa ware no expectation ekuta no ho echi iPhone 13 na ma ye no what you say into efo o kwa ware no enyema ben na wo envision na wo ware yen so no realities ben pa na asset e wo ware anim
yo miniaba midasi
okay
the edikan mi fa chiakasi ma tie fu nyina no motie mi transi wo honna mi tie counselor ni miniaba in fact contribution no mo yasese no mi transi na owosia gumi hu What you see?
I was saying I was if for the just a translation. Yes.
And I was in Agumi who say no can. Nemo I said o kase siano mi pese mi kase wari mu bosse no de enu de mi kase obi bia obe wari obe she bosse o mi ko wari na ye be say yes no e be do ba bia nya adwuma because on say unu obi here boyfriend girlfriend na that love na etna mu no enu nti na do ba bia obi ni obi transia omo say yen ye kase mo mu kan say yen share vows say e bia obi poni moja so that time love no ho who say tembia no be hu so obi di moja ni ba ni be ma omu twom moja no mo yesade no na adu ba bi na tokwa ba so first no mo transne mbasa enti mi ko ware ase no mi ni mi yiri an transi say ye be say because mi ni say ye kanisa mi ye nipa e be du ba bi me feli ba odi uni ase transi a omo mo ware a omo transi fa di go books no sa ware ni nye send ye mi no wan transi a hye bibia dia obi anim say yakase bo me menta me kase ya tana 10 years we are ye di 5 years me talk am na do na me ntosa aka na obobefu because me da two ni ase didara say about 5 years me talk anti no media dem me ko ware no de me di me ni ase transi say me ni me yire bebo bra ye tana kakra ka bia ye high die na ye we kakra ye be me ni ase say ye be nya ye plot na se singe won po ne ye be si atena mu a ni yasi ni atena mu ba me ntimi family ni ase transi say me di transi so kia kin say me yadi we no nti meye na ya wari mantimi anye nti oba no so nti ase say wari no uko wari adu ba bi pe eni ma sisa e bi na first na mi wari no sabi o mitimi fauda oba no mi ensa na ase enai mienu miensa ba minyi no ehu say eni ma be sisa sa na brabo no sati what you say sa na brabo na tinti say obi sa say e den na me expect say na me ni me yiri be ya me ni me yiri antrasi da anya se mi kasa anto obi anye sa me ni mi antrasi da o ye be ba de me ni kan say ye be hu ma hihye po me ba ye miensa na mi transit ye ya hihye ba me ntimi ka chen so obi wo betimi aka so
ye pemienu ye be hu mienu ye be mu kwa de nkola ni din aso ma ye wedding mu ye bio
sa relatives na wo ka sesi anu de mi tena hono na so ba mami ro ka se bi na ase ro ka no me hu se wa ya di pa che se no bi o ka se o ba ni be ma bi transi na o si mi nini da okra ni mi piani bi ma na se ni ko ndo no uti ase na sa ni ma gwe nyina no eye ware mu asem se o ba bi wo wa sabi o ware ni kunu wiepo on siesie no the way na ma shia wo na ye boyfriend girlfriend no the way wo ya wo nye sabi ade mi efo mi transi se ade mi ni ase achi so o ba no mu fa ntoma tra mo ha no odi toma be obetimi di ntoma twa ne busa efia no pa kosi anadu na odi nanti mi ni ase nji hu nti first na mi hu na wo nyesa afi wo be yesa na wo yesa ne ma no obema bi wo so pese obe hu ne yiri nakedness de bia o fu se ne kunu ko dware wie na odi nakedness na wo sa day in day out no yesa afi ade no kra odi bebre po adu ba bia uni ase nji duane no uti asi
because it's nakedness because so the see ukunu sometimes
at least me
wow
say
wow
wo fu say e me kunu
try me pen no
we dware wi mi nanti ha we up and down me ye me hu basa sebi oba bi wo ha ni 3 mi po na gunu rasta obi bo rasta 7 months na guni 3 su na wo fu say wo yesa no be ma no love be no benya ordinity aba hu kakra bi ade we 2 cent kwa no anadu be ma bi wo so kwa pie na do sabi o akono musa ona no sa obe blue e ma be bre pe be ma mu sa I'm telling you a lot of men doesn't men like women who drinks one say na no na sabi wa no musa na wa u ba ye so wa sa ba ri ko bi adi dokunu wa kono musa u ba ya wa sa ba ri ko bi and u yes one paste u dia koda anti u fu se oda ho na u blow fuse na oba ni ase be jihu ti ye na ye hu de e be ma ye ni ye nyina ye be dodo ye hu sana mika idasi
efo wakasa ade bako efo aka ma me hu adream ne say we obey ni say o ma okunu hu nakedness be brave all the time to so this year the
sometimes o say say we na diverse like e wo mu a wa hye bibi say but oba bi wo ho a odwin say inyeyi hu no ntina de wa ro ne hu na e bi kra pant enhye no na odin nam da bi eno no won enna na o we hu no kra efuno
Wow.
Eti ewo mu a wo say be a lingerie be those in your man getting be addressed 1 or 2 things, but you should be covered once a while. Enye debia. Esa efuno. Debia you should appear in a way.
I see. Pacho me read the comment here when they know. Hey. Madam Wasina, Messa Bamusuna, and they be phone lines near you was Sem Ebonipo. Hilda of Love Hills Boutique, Dr. Shine, or say lingerie now or dama or girlfriend no brand beji. Or some can live on it. So Hilda, Shine about beji. Okay, so David Nyadejo. Or say hello, meet mo papa panyame enshamo. Piaga so Facebook or see great show, keep it up. Obapa Mary Ame or say hello. Meet mo live ewo USA. Greetings to you and it will be biao who be atema. Wait for Mary Ame. Mami efwa se wa boatema. Say what a great topic. Hey. Carries dear shapes or say hey. How I shouted. That's my man great counselor, kudos, Counselor Adofoli. Way every crazy shapes eho. Ato Armstrong say good evening. Me greetings to my wife, Miss Rosie, our London. Okay, so Abdullah Danzaria, who message no mabo and so me read it. Martha Nameboa. Mohammed Ibrahim Al Hassan. Say good evening, Adom FM. Me fiamo live Anajui. Na me wish you all the best. Keep the fire burning. David Techimensin also keep it up. We a nice program. Pa Isaac Chume is so share live. Israel, Tel Aviv. Topic we dear a very, very nice. Edamasio. Now Isaac Graham say we one of the best topic youth no or more lucky. And that is the truth. Marriage dear dear grow pa. And the counselor Maye who say, so we will be our quadrinia. Our ready forgets. To me and worry. It's a mess. Youth no stand up. We have to fix ourselves too, not only the country. I beg. Richard Agbesi, Richard saw sharing live. Or say any time or person one in the year edim pemwa grono. In the year ne esi debi. Na the reason why or kase debi ni say was one person obenyim bio. Na or say or person or no use condom. Condom no so na yere no so won pe na se say no so na yere na awo ba ko we for Richard Agbesi o Facebook na making you on na yere na awo ba ko ento waka che na yere say wo say won pe say wo banyim won so a wo say won pe kono and the family planning and so a wo say dabi enti Richard say odono but see a won nya den or to amamo counselors. Counselor Edio. So yeah, Joe.
Me back Richard Samanson.
Yes.
But let me correct some few stuff. F.W. Casano. There can agreement in an Americana. Man can say for book but to our arena and to say obi edio kana or true din was sign. That's not what we are saying. F.W. Kabi say or bar what din into my son Nihano, Nebon one pel bibisa. That's anona jum dia on penono and but so woni ni yiri nya san komodi we no be fie da no be tu san nyema we am nya source ni ninje e yiri ho what we are just saying so wo ko aware ye wo no ni a wo hwehwe no woni kafo no edi nkomo ye ba office ka ye si obi be praha obi di nkoja betu ha ti se santi ase no ho si wo no be praha me ba mi da konya betu ha we can work together me be fia wo be no aduane me ba meto bia na afifi akroma de aba
it's an agreement
okay yeah this agreement in ba na bibintin e bia wa wo ntimi nya sala we can always change yes it's sada we can do that back to Richard yes so we na say woni ogere na ebeko hospital first woni ndi nkomo but ka se kone koye
or say on family planning
kone koye family planning
or say on you
anon kire say see woni npa ko get involved manage home me do until me worry o me nya nka me no be ewo this and number of children one person be wo sana Matthias here but say ya fa kwan bi so a we can still be together and still have that kind of family affair.
That's safe period.
It is a safe period and look at intimate boy yanko hospital mbom near bisa doctor be kwan be na mo be fa so here avoid because doctors ne expert in that direction oni ne yere nya sam komo no to anamo ambeko but to man say kona koye family planning ade me person me nya de meko but if you get me involved in the process now me ko na matie doctor na say yes doctor no please o Richard boka and kware na de de be boa mu mi no aware no so you should take that initiative no ni ne yere no mi no de enko hospital ho no mo ko din komo ho ada so mi no betina pia mo kwa na jo enya sa frustration don so I want to reach akofa baby fufuro
eno ho na misro no no akosha oba fufuro nyinsɛn
me so me feel say abia typing na what typing is abia wankasa na yere ne nko anko abia they decided say nko mo nkoye na oba ne say da bi ba me no me so me analysis ne say me say oba no abia na ne kondo ne kunu ne biom that is what I think because
sex I was
baako pe wo se wo mpese wo banyim biom. I find everything wrong with this whole thing, and especially if what obema ne air can say no credit, then I think say because say ukun say mun use condom and na say munko ya family planning na ni nyina wo se debia ebia ne condom ne kunu. That's what I think. Iti bema no oni oba ne ntina se na ommo modern na ombisa ne questions ade bi wo ho no ewo bema ne ho a ompa na ebia sebio one ne da wo kwan bi a oye na ompe ana other things ebia na on sheda ne ndi sa enkomo no ebia na waka say okay I mean me feel say I doubt say because of your friend say awo nti na lady ne yes and because oba bia niwa oba ware oba wo ba ko oba ka say ye ompese oba nyim bio I doubt enti no oni oba ne ntina se na ombisa no they should go deep on fanning kotina baby ompie nko baby. They should leave the environs of the home and pay baby nkotina and koshe baby na who say also so fanning cost a place serene kakra. Sometimes you see couple who this car do ko hotel crack or guest house oni wo yere once a while wo de mom for baby ebi amukọ oba the niji kakra mpo a on to me nkasa ode ne ho beka me bibia ho beka say okrokro oba no na on bisa no more questions because I'm sure there is more to this oba no ebia on to me nka ma bi wo hasa no mote.
I believe if there's more to this as we are saying signs are there already. Richard Amundi
probably he should know
to a place someone person back say bio and also signs because before see what we conclude on this what show sign why didn't come to that extent. So those things are there already. If besides that there's nothing like that, then I advise that you go to the specialist to see that. And now someone out for cancer, no me no there, uncle counseling and boom.
I see.
And Richard don't so often into or not on show bano obehu say bia gestures bi wo hono ma e be kire say bi oba no ne kondo na ma obema bi kra wo hono mo no be da sebi both sides enya be ma nkwa ba ye ka Richard inti na make be ma e bia odo nenum
na F4K
what
for
the we see ye no kra no agreement
we are was reje na egu so asaba
oba no kra ne ho ma I mean all of these things
so checking the home F4
yo mini aba MC penifo akasa na mami kasembi pa kire se be ye di pass oba do transi obeka se onu be ma be wo ba ko pe anti no bibi koso be ma no fa ni asin transi but I don't know say yen bibi fu no say ye ne yire no transi ye ne yakunu transi na bibi wo ehu unim say be di pass oba be ka kire ne kunu se utiasi oba be timi bie na no ka kire ne kunu say me kunu sent wo anum wow obo kan se sent no e bia wo makoto paste anadu yen paste ansana ya da onka ade no wanum bonsa nti uka moment obe ka wanum bonsa pe onipa no
what killing the vibe
ube ka o e bia anumre makoto paste oba wo de na yen ko paste me ka indirectly no me pe bibi na ka kire o ba so oba wa oso onu beda oso mpe condom mpe de ansi kosi koda we na be ma no tenasi na otwa no pe na oba no oba na be sa betra reduce abe kasase yo mi ware mi kunu no twi plan machi uti ase anti no say oba no be ma no on bi say so say says no ni ase nje bi afono no ompa bi hwe oba bi wo ho be mas onu ni da o da what say sebi dua de da onti hwe anti wo say nso okobontin no be mad ni saka ni sisi pe obo say ni ase yage mi bibi ekoso wo fi obuka no kure
Matthew besa about sir me busa last two questions na fe me be phone lines and for pentem akasa Councillor Dofoli me pese me busa say realities is set in our warrior moi. I was a couple, so we give you up our no omukoana because there was some realities be I ni. What do they do?
Reality just you Juma as I say yeah. Just the indication say Juma how as I say yeah. So that's the best answer better as say be this common. Many a time the man for make you complaints as a request the same. Me pursue oye ABC the mammy. Oh boy me this and now we are come in the beji. But oka complain now. We are talking about the SCD data. And oka was something when oka at the SCD data. And oka mana your partner and so yeah. And also baby very defensive. No person different in your kind or person any other things are. I be make you feel the oka and person so if you make a request. Minya anka yenya ABCD when we are many betting ka koni say anka many betting enka ye ka reach no masem ka ni yiri aka se oh mikuno enka we say mami anka many betting be so sin ka da regional o statica nia o one mi se wawarem nia o hwehwe na embai ana dia we strategy be kono enko sa no o make you request na no partner so betimi a then we can have a conversation on that so on timi ani enti on timi no then we can state reason why on timi dia na betimi aye aboy ho adjustment bi o ho say ya na aye se betimi negotiate one or two things na aye but
because I mean your realities are enu do wo betimi advice say sa dia we dey say uja aware no any your realities so you can say oh no you need to stay they also uja aware there na mpese me what kind of realities they betimi asserting to the extent say even counselors and ebusia for because say you know enye
those caveats are there which is abuse
okay physical
yes
emotional
physical,
so
emotional even financial anything now oh yeah of partner edi ho ya nene nje ho I complain see wo actions no to you and nothing but no no kaware emu mienu ne make kaware ti bakune nje a it means you are failing aware ne failing so any actions of yours which is attribute like abuse man nje no or the bar now yen kan wasema it could cause for divorce it's true the next other thing is saying to resolve issues irreconcilable differences nyema bia eso no na so me but we should respect our difference. The SSD adwane afekwa be so there aye. But we are not able to reconcile this difference and work around it. And this year our year one year and yemen to then we are going to go separate way. Another thing is when we are refused to live like marriage couple. You are our relationship, ye minute and yes, your roommate keke. You might be a year, just here, ya worry. Your sad relationship for no. If you are ignoring your partner. Untrain ho we be and fan ho we didn't come cry you don't even make time for it you nya dey bo as a partner na as a couples anymore it's just like unkwa no waware no ye open na wo ye when we get to this place we can go separate way then we come to this unfaithfulness and other stuff divorce is something here obi e be kwa ware mun yanka divorce masem you know see e ko ware we are not getting married to divorce and yes that's our mind. But nyama bena we yeah and I mean yeah one share yeah bet my conscience to go separate way yen din some common then you see when a red flag now and a red danger now you do things not to get to the red danger ever cause for divorce but young fan you not talk about it near sweep under the carpet there be so those are the things anything you ever cause partner pain then enjoy our room then then if you cannot resolve it, I will recommend that you go separate way. And yes, you hurt each other. One should no be a cocoon in yanko.
Hey, mommy, how do you so enough for me be
okay? Our here no, Sunday I can't want some makaka. Very complicated now. Adia, yeah, can't dear bema. Say obijaya warrior meboa. For me, no, I think say abuse. Is major. I mean, say not counselor.
Both physical ni emotional.
Any emotional. In fact, infidelity is also another thing. And I'm saying, egu aware say
me kunu cheating on me.
Yeah,
me so yeso ye dey on be cheating say be ending.
I think say in as much as a mema who say a man be so cheaty pa and yeah pa and saying pa now the truth and also say and your baby be answer no cheaty.
And some men no more he. Like
it's real. It's real. When you were ben maybe and
no, you mean they exist.
They exist. And yet nipano the person doesn't have to be a pastor. Some of those people crown you who say me who say na menkano praise the Lord. No, they are there.
Yo, praise the Lord for be so wa.
And America say those people no, they don't have to be pastors. There are some men are very decent.
And discipline.
Washada. And na why na adwin. And it is something uncle be able to me now so ebimu they are not able to control themselves.
Why?
That is the
question. No, why?
A relative. Obi wo be an fearful na ye no obi so on one kasa na dwa mansem na ye ne
because 99% of men
a pleasure or per se or je keke. I mean he finds nothing wrong with it. Ena obi so wo hono ma ye won kofo bi omokwa asori a ono no feel say Abraham eware emma
no and
they are in the church.
Onimnyansa krachen Abraham Solomon.
One of the things a physical abuse made dear me was sorry na say ma bi ba no mo be ka say me kunu obume and no the way abome the make kire wan say ma me we anya mpaibo go to your parents home to your parents simple say enya say obekun. I mean the truth is bema dear obuwa obekun but ebia I mean those few things now you two can sit down and resolve no
mami me be say me bisa wasem obi ba won che be ka che say nikunu afanichi opeso jana advice be na de be man.
Okay, honestly I'll be very honest with this. Say nikunu afanichi for me enye ebro bi na wabono
action bro
minim emotional bibiba when Emma you very strong and I walk cancel no walk say nikunu Emma also you very strong and anan saying Emma bebre wo wa omo to omo ho hye nkofo okunu no
eya semo
obi so wo ho no ma be me bi wo ho a e bi kra na enye nani na ye mistake hwe obi wo ha yetumi poison yetumi drag no e kra che say you can be trapped Emma bi so wo ho a omo de mema bebre efafa baby wakwa chichiri no emma nsu na
wonim se be mate aware ase
sa
wo se wo be yaage
sa
na sa na yaage no
na say emma ni bi say emma maware no mo ye very responsible eti eni obedi na chi sin so obedi single man single gentleman bi echi eti obetumi di na fa kwan bebre so e di na kwaduro so aye nioma bebre emma no so na bebre yi ye nkompa bo ana ye nko asori a on pese obekoyi
31st ni first day no yasa
enti eni ye wo san so ebetumi akan eti oba pa eti na warrior si no so enti me no as a reverend dear me ye ne say me ne wo be bompa ye ukun afa wechi ye mompa ye me ne wo be kasa say ye nhwe sesia no unim kwan a efa so eba ne sa ebi mpo na wakonyim obi eso oba no wo ye den a waware o eti wo de unim bibi hwe be me bi wo a obetumi aye sa so obeba obedo biom ebi kronko ye sa de ni biom eti ampa etumi esi
mami
eti enye ebro a wafa bibidi abo ebom se na se ufri enum na ukofufro mu nso ebi mpo na eno so beye west ebi mpo na ono so obefu wechi asensa esu na ebi a bema we
the devil you know
hwe oba bi so wo a onim se bema no te sadeda onim dada
no me ka se wunim no se ne mo ka sa ware reality be say ma ware na still we are attracted to other people but depending on how we be taking no. Counselor,
maybe me end with the share. Ade bi wo hono ma ebia na infatuation na last. Wo ye wie kra wo nu hu se wo koyeye. Enti if you lose your husband to that, one shot you'll be bitter forever. Sometimes say a man no ana mema no omotin you may be asesa say enye easy I can understand how you feel, but say ye the Bible na me ye reverend na ye di Nyankopon asem atoto ho no and say won kan kire oba ni say on fia se prekope ebia na be ma no so abe pacho say oh ebia eye mistake
no pacho no san ye bi we
aha eno na ebia problem be wo ho no eno sa no untumi a you go because emotional trauma no and also too much
and my baby watch time because of this
yes minim oba bia otumi park ne car e wo baby no wa ko baby a oko ubisa no si or Phyllis on park or not parking on because of the marital issues. Funny tirimba. Yes, those are emotional. Bema ni mpuno. Now so emotional and nyoma or film. Iti am no sano. You can advise the people to leave the marriage. Yeah,
I see. If I'm about so don't worry. Opes ode kas.
Mami midasi. I say no ukase si ase de ne be passe do baby ese wari jaiba. Na ukanu. Ya oni ma kitikiti se obe ma be for bachi oba be for be machi yetimi kawo ba edu ba bia abuse bi wo ho na ense se ye be hwe se ya na de bia mi ka se ye nuanom asofo binum omo ka ho na oni pa wo ware ase mami wo ya dmo radio station count wo there just last year be si ne emema hinaku apra mo yiri no mako mo yiri no oni pa ni pra no obe ba sorry no be ka masofo ni kuna twisi ka ho ne so Nyankopon say ade anyame ka bom no me antitim not hu onipa ni wu na sofo no me dem ebinu ka ho na ware nipa wo ware ade no wa hu say ade no say eso wo hwe say ade no wo be se no wa hu ma me bi efrem say was efo me ne mi kro ware de bia me kro ma enye ofa na chi so okofo ba sabi ni na chi e no fa no wa complain na we no so e feri so be ka kire obi wa ka kire ni kro so mpe ba bia say sabi ne tulofa anti sa ware we mami no ntra ho mami ni se fitasro feel so e ni kunto onya ma ni sapa se obre ade ni ma ni yare anti say no wo betra ho kase o nyame ahihye we ni nti ontra ho no ntra ho no anti edu ba bia mo mi ka no kure se obi atwe sika obi so obi atwe dade obi so na sofu beka o enya hwe ko sofu de onu se ontimi kase jaware o de nyame ahihye no yantitim ba ni pa ewu pa yesrem se mo mi hwe sa ni ka
yeah that say counselor.
All right. So about unfaithfulness and infidelity. See, a year of your why, and yes, it can be physical, but a timima amount for echo or hobby brim if you could board down because of adrenaline. See, a very difficult moment. So, be a what trust no. When you're not Tennessee, you're better afibor. One from a team, me do so Jimmy. Now all of a sudden, no forward here. I drink any say, a beer one for me and near walk on no panel. Won't pay me buana. So, I no cracker can just a stress for the person. Well, what drink on one who say, minimum my wrong. My walk, Satibion. So, send you couldn't be great. Honest, no about me a bonny ABCD. And yes, he had chin before he's making it. Because some people know one person versus her. Yes, chin, any yes, he has chin into no. And I'll confess and I'll review some of the truth. No, I pass track again. No, I continue back to what he's doing. But if the person can come here, say, dear my any manumi, it's not the right thing to do. What Ujirian I see the year now common is a result of Yamana Okoye to trust in the you have to rebuild the trust. And you are willing to work on that. And the trust building will take a long time for your wife to trust you back. Nyama sase ubeye and never relationship for we are willing to ubeye. No bonus peninsula. You are off to go. If on peninsula best officer go for separation, ebia me no teno. Nyama na mejo kan I have in person me call outside relationship for some.
And then the separation but sometimes okay.
Just to see things from the far and see how suban ebesi say bia me no hono na pretend but me twe ho kakra. We be say it's okay to go. And the most important thing is the two of them no I'm comfortable see ye gi hu di kakra see bit marry bedi but sa gidi ni ni ho we don't force them to be together because yes all come no e bia obi respect o ma obi ntina o ho and yes o person otena ho ana e bia o ho nyina no onya opportunity na no so betua ni partner ne eka in a different way because I hurt now. So it depends on the two of them. If they are willing to work at it, they can work at it. Okay. But if they are not willing to work at it, then they should go separate way.
Thank you. Ebusia minim say mo pentem pa me be phone lines no. Na me fa just 5 calls. Me pacho fra go straight to the point. Na j final words with panelists. So na I'm sorry. So 0302216561 and I said 0302216562. 0302216561 and 0302216562. Hi Adom 106.3 FM. Bo Nkommo. And I was so eguswe Facebook for Namaya de Pamudos ye papa. Na comments so de see etwegu akwemu anesa. Madam was said de bia no say and then our no we be say your force the any already made. Ain't no but before I become no you need to know who you're getting married to. It's a lot of work. Counselors am meet here me. Miss Yapa. Hello darling.
Tima, good evening.
Good evening, sweetie.
I'm sure money. I'm money. Me free oyibi.
Okay, the day kasa.
I'm carrying but in man, we need to put in more effort to them. Time you who say man any year. You ask him things are many different. Ban. Me could say me come Peruvian hair at the Google 2,000 umpe. Con road and I was anything. And then now be see them neatness a key in my marriage. So if you know the things that the man wants are at least kakran. You keep on with the marriage. But to relax it there, I'm not following it. Easy.
Yeah, that was CDD. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Me Pacha. I'm good.
Good.
Udini baby Alfrefi. Evangelist.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay. Let me add up to what Counselor said. The two counselors are saying, you see, marriage is an institution. So you need to understand it before entering into it. If you don't understand and you enter into it, you get lost on the way. Because people go into marriage expecting to get from their partner. Meanwhile, it should be the opposite. You give your all and all. Other than that, no Rema will happen. Then again, people pick their partners before coming to God. Instead of going to God for God to give them their partners, they pick the partner. No, they are questioning the person who has a branch. It doesn't work like that. Then again, only will be a warning. Where you not courting, even though people can pretend as if they are, whereas they are not that. You understand? And so that is point one. Now, the gentleman who said his wife, there are two things in that thing that people don't take note of. One, a beer unto me satisfy or bad, no. That's point one. And bedmatics has its own adaptation that you do before you get into it. Most people don't know what you call foreplay that will help the woman get to the peak before you join. They take time to get to the point.
Okay, Antino. Yeah, the best see her. Hello.
Hello, Tina.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, Tina.
Yes.
Yeah, what kind of better comment is that? Okay. About Mamma Tassin. No, I think we're going to because who might be a minimum wrong. On enough from what I say.
on offer boy obia on wale on fan boy.
Hey.
Yes, because as long me be saying not more catch a minute. Young base na one wale no. When it him Emma Mike. Into obia wa wale de on your buy not here, ultimate man chop money no but to watch be. Well, but eba mbano so ya can say me so me kunu my bread na me sack na my but I didn't want you no one show see. One show see. Well, your bembe bi o wa on the on ya ma but on your back one or two. It is a Sabbaman when one is to show you no so I do outside the pet a bed is almost a back.
Wow, Ebusia, Yedibesia. I was saying a beautiful lies be one before because come on Semuka. Madam Masipa. Me pacho. Measure me final words. I can be just 2 minutes. Into mommy, quick final word. Now do number so. Okay. So
Meka say obi a wotie ye bia aware enna form na mmom aware eye nhira a nyankopon ede adom ye nyina se wo ma ho kwan a nyame ede bedom obi na mmom no ese wo hu se aware no enya akwadwefo ena eware eyade a eye den enye easy cranty no se ukomu a make sure se obeye den obebre wo ho ase na waye wasede na mmomu abuse side ne de mesrew enam se wo mpese obewu ntem ntino mepacho eya na wape baby afa entem se ne ebeye a untwa onkwan na so
number
me say me de me number tudwa na ma sorry so my friend is saying UPS hono adjacent Access Bank Inner Court Prayer Chapel adjacent Access Bank East Legon number near 0241 993359 0241 993359. My Facebook handle is Sandra Talata Ameza. Sandra Talata Ameza. Me pacho follow me or any Instagram. Yaminsha.
On strong so counselor.
But I'll say, our yeah can say to my jesu can Timestra si ube kwavari ma mentena was ube show be can who affair or sika. Nyama ko yinti ya kwa wane mi bia be yi there be penum dear so be pe counselors a be boa wa obusua bibia fra ware mu na relationship mu ye ho adwuma sa wo da kwa wo sha ware mu nyesa the oha be bro in the future me on company the marriage consult here was Sprinters Coastal Junction ya our any relationship ho adwuma and at any point in time betima I pass to the office betima frame your WhatsApp so number near 020-677-4279. The team again 020-677-4279 or Facebook Frank Adom Adufoli, Instagram Council Adufoli. That's it.
Yes, we Adom was say. For mommy, quick final word na. Okay.
Nemo no yebebo mpaye nemo nya bibia so na de be mpaibo because ukokrom no nware na ukoda nyakopon o be san so office e me hwe hu mpa no so se ohunti anti aware na nyame nya bibia na de be mpaibo ye practice the right thing no so eno so be buai na ya bo mpaye so aka because se mi kan no nyakopon o mba se wo nware nti oba be hwe nso agu hu na hwan ndam wo ba nware na twitwosi asana wada
Madam say nyami ensure bibia counselors my dear rev nyami shamu papa penne mini Reverend Sandra Talata Meza ena counselor Frank Adom Adofoli na woma kansem megidi say waware no uhia overhauling what you say near counselors muka eni nyina wo say wo mechanic shop ni etutu car na se a ye tutum ena ye fixe shine dey asem ye se beje o girlfriend ne eyi misro yes wa order your friend is say lingerie Love Hills Boutique Sebeji. Enti ebusia Mr. Wo you learn from your man, your woman, or partners, mondomo or dofo ehia pa. So we go through nyama bia. We be for Dr. Shine. So we see ye discuss the issue. It was 0262 541 501 0262 541 501 midin eyetema konko medam wase said dani de nyina ba moji of so Facebook for my audio say Mr. Momon share what to share tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend and some in the counselors mo kan wa hano de ma fa pa say aware is a lot of work so your quadrinia forget marriage because a two-way affair. Wo your ban so na okwa aware mu a don't expect too much. Do okunu buno. Okunu so mo no ye why. The counselor kan ye no. Se na mo my flowers amonko so my flowers. And be my flowers now why we a paper crab boy en pacho. Ye penisa krokro ye. Na ye so ye be so mo ye da mo ase. Na ye do mo so mo follow ye wa Adom 106.3 FM. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter bibia ye hobby. Dr. Shine and I am producer director Afe J Cole papa and a try you go away in social media pages men so obetime follow me baby at I am Tema committee here alomo bites for nyame enstramo semu so program yi ase aha ena mudi musi watch nyame ya Adom I be share Adom TV medin Tema konko me kom na from Tema konko me twa me nika kra na ma choke mama utu makramo